He walks toward it like it's second nature, because with Robo-Charge, pool care just works. 3 smart cleaning modes handle every surface with ease. Drop it in. No cords, no setup, just wireless simplicity. A powerful 150 LPM flow rate keeps debris moving, while dual scrubbing brushes dive deep. It cleans the floor. It climbs the walls, all with precision and power. Its N-shaped path ensures nothing's missed. NaviClean technology maps the most efficient route, covering up to 170 square meters. You'll get up to 2 hours of cleaning on a single charge. When it's done, it parks itself near the edge, ready for an easy lift with the Retrieval hook. Cleaning the filter is just as simple. Pop the lid, rinse, done. A spacious 4-liter basket means fewer interruptions. Recharging? Quick and effortless, just 2.5 hours. Then it's ready to go again. The cleaner rests, the family swims, and the water? Crystal clear.